Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 78 algorithm video. In this task we are given a string which contains both vowels and consonants. We need to make a new string which would contain only vowels from the original string. So our output would be, since A is a vowel, so A would be included in the output, B would be skipped, capital E would be included, K would be skipped, lowercase I would be included, P would be skipped, and lowercase o would be included. So the output would be A, E, I, O. Now that I've explained to you, let's make the algorithm. I would make a blank new string and I would make a list of vowels, and this list would contain both uppercase vowels and lowercase vowels. Now we would be making use of the for loop for character in string. If the character is in list vowels, then I would append that character in the new string. However, if the character is a consonant, that is the character is not found in the list of vowels, then we would continue with the next iteration. Now when I print the new string, so A, E, I, O is our output. If I modify the code as if new string is not blank, then print new string. Otherwise, if the new string is blank, we print no vowels in the new string. So A, E, I, O is our answer. Let's change the string which contains no vowels. R, R, T, Y. R, R, T, Y, none of them are vowels. So let's click play. So our output is, we have found no vowels in the new string. This is all from my side. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.